Are you tired of measuring spices and flavorings? Too salty of a stew? Too sweet of a cake? And are your kitchens even tidy? Spices fly everywhere from the countertop to the stove, leaving a scene every time you cook. Then fear not, as the engineers will bring you the greatest ever solution. This device will fix all of the problems you'll be facing in the kitchen. Introducing the Dispencer, our brand new smart spice dispenser. Let's say that you're cooking soup, and it tastes bland. Oh no, you've forgotten to season the soup. Instead of reaching over to your salt jar and making a mess, with our device you just need to press a button and it will dispense automatically for you. But wait, there's more. You want more seasoning? Get some of the pepper in there. Paprika? Click. Sugar? Click. Our device is so versatile it can handle any dry seasonings. Just find the correct amount of the seasoning you need and press the big gray button. Your cooking experience will never be the same. It's so easy, even a kid can do it. The dispenser can be too big or too small for your need. The dispenser comes in a variety of sizes for every size of kitchen. This little version can even fit in the palm of my hand. It also had a display to tell you how much seasoning you have left. Oh no, 25% left? Just dump a whole bag of sugar in there. And the lid will seal tightly so there will be no ants or moisture ruining it. You may be asking, what are those two metal things on the side? Good question, because our device will be able to connect to themselves on the side. It's a modular system, just like Lego blocks. It comes with two brackets to stick it to the wall under the cabinet, and you can slide in how many units you like. It's very simple to set up. This is the Dispencer, the compact and versatile seasoning dispenser that every housewife and cook needs.
Welcome everyone to our presentation. We are the engineers and this is the dispenser. As we have disclosed in the commercial, the dispenser is perfect for anyone who wants a cleaner and tidier kitchen, or a cook who wants to improve the efficiency of their cooking. About the uses, the device is used to dispense a variety of dry ingredients like salt, ground pepper, sugar, etc. It can measure out the amount you need while saving space with its modular design. About the outlook, our device is made with plastic with the dimensions of 130 x 110 x 150 mm, with a small cup on the bottom used for measuring, as well as a tight silicone lid securing the spice from the outside impacts, especially sugar. On the side, there will be slots. On the side, there will be slots to fit another unit of dispenser, therefore a modular design. About the internal, there will be a system for complex measuring, but there will be slots for braces that we have created. Then the way to measure is using the cup on the bottom, which is being held 4 string to a scale which will help measuring your spices. You can choose between 2 modes, reset and complex measuring. Reset mode will use the container we have measured out, combined with a complex system of sliders which could create holes for each container. Choosing the complex measuring mode will close the reset containers, preventing inaccuracies. There will be a piston-supported trapdoor which will open, releasing spices directly into the measure cup. To release the spices, there will be a button on the bottom on the user's interface to dispense. And finally, we want to inform that how our products outstand the others in the market. As for the pros, the contraption can be extremely efficient in places like restaurants or food trucks, where a certain type of recipe is cooked constantly, improving efficiency. And its modular designs mean that it can be connected to each other to save spaces. Thank you for tuning in into our presentation. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.